Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Justina and here I like to make, create, and inspire fun art things with you through my DIYs. But as you see by today's title, we have our very first Decorate With Me video for the season and I am super excited to get started. Before we do get started, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here and clicking on today's video. I am super excited to get through this first decorate video with you all. I do appreciate everyone who is here joining me today, and if you can please smash that thumbs up button, it really does help out my channel, and share it to at least one friend who needs some Halloween inspiration. Now, with all that being said, let's just jump right into it and let's decorate today. This is the area that I want to tackle on today and decorate. This is in my living room and this is my bookshelves and the area where I keep most of my craft supplies out of sight. As you see here, it is kind of messy and I do need to tidy it up. But since my two cakes were sitting there in previous DIYs that I've done, it really gave me the inspiration on how I wanted to decorate this area. I wanted to bring all of my faux sweets all around my books and in that middle portion where they are sitting. That way it just looks like an explosion of creepy crawly sweets everywhere, and that is how we are going to decorate. Now I am not going to talk throughout the whole video to explain everything, but all of the videos of my DIYs will be listed down in the description box below or in cards throughout the video. You can always click on them after today's video to go check those out. So to help me get started, I did make a little simmering pot with all of the fall spices. I added it to a little bit of water, put it on medium, and just let it simmer all day long, and my house smelled like fall and I was ready to start decorating.
Of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you scared? I am you.
last thing I wanted to add to my little area right in the center was this spider, and all I did was place him on top of my little pumpkin's head. I absolutely loved how this middle portion turned out. All of my fake sweets look absolutely adorable. Now there are some things I do want to change up later on. However, I just loved how it turned out. Let me know down in the comment section if you like to switch up things even though you already decorated.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better prove that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live, creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down and round, and ain't no telling what she might do next. Cause she's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter, and she might just come for you. Should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake. She's moving closer. Cause she's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter, and she might just come for you. She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you whole, for you know in your control by a sweetheart criminal. Never thought that she's a itty bitty spider
Okay, friends, that completes our little bookshelf area. I absolutely loved how it turned out. It's like an explosion of all of my fake treats everywhere, plus a little bit of more of my Halloween decor laid all out. I would love to know what you think about this down in the comment section below. I will add some close-up video for you here shortly, but before I show you all of that, if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed, I hope you do that today. All you have to do is click on that big red subscribe button down below. It is totally free, but don't forget to click on the bell notification so that YouTube can always notify you every time I upload a new video. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and if you can smash that thumbs up button and share it to at least one friend, it really does help out my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy, and as always, I will see you in the next one, but don't forget to check out these close-up video.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.